YouTube? It's your boy King J, the barber. And I know in last video I promised you guys that I would show you guys certain techniques and certain clippers that I think benefit you guys. But I thought about that and I can't really explain the techniques without doing a haircut. So after this video, it's gonna be mainly haircuts. I might do that the no guard challenge that Jeezy put out there. So I might do that, so stay tuned for that one. But in this video I will be showing you guys what's in my barber kit. Now most of the stuff that I started with or that came in my barber kit, I don't have them no more, just because I found certain tools that benefit me, and you know, I got rid of the ones that I initially started with at barber school. So nevertheless though, I will be showing you guys certain things that actually came in here. Now how can I explain this? When you enter barber school, you do pay a tuition fee, right? Which that will give you the barber kit. So none of this was just given to me. I actually had to pay the tuition, which was the total amount that the kit supposedly costed. Now you can find cheaper things if you're just cutting at home or at your house, at your garage or whatever you may be doing. You can find cheaper things that will work practically the same as the ones that I got, you know. But I will be showing you guys what I actually started with. So without further ado, let's get into it. Now I am gonna be, you know, reaching down just because I have my kit at the bottom. I don't want to put it out here. But I will be starting with my trimmers. Now the trimmers I started with was this T outliner trimmer. Now the way I'm gonna show it to you guys, I'll just show it. Now here it is cut up here, and I recently did this not so long ago, like about a month or a month and a half. Now the reason why I did this, a lot of people just do it because it looks cool, but for me it helps to get around the ears a lot better. The corners it's not as bulky as it was at the beginning. Now I do have the blackout blade. The only reason why I put it was because when I first started school, I dropped it, and the bottom right here, it chipped. Now it wasn't really a big reason for me to change it, but I thought, you know, if your clients see your clippers kind of messed up, broken, or whatever the case may be, they might doubt your cuts, man, because you know, you gotta look money to get money. Now, in other words, for me, that's just the saying I say. Most of your clippers gotta be clean, guys. That's, you know. But yeah, I started with the Andis T outliners. This is the one that came in my kit. So here it is. The second clipper that came in there was my Andis Master. This is a great clipper, guys, but when you first start, I wouldn't recommend just to do your whole haircut with this one, just for the simple fact that it gets hot real quick. And you know, the blade gets hot, so when you're touching somebody's scalp, it hurts them. You know, nobody wants to have heat in their head like that. So I would recommend this one just because it has a little bit of notches. Like, I don't know if you can see it on. Oh man. Anyways, there's notches. Oh, there you go. You can see some notches here. So this tells you this is open and this is closed, right? So you could easily fade with that. You can fade your first guideline with this, if you know what I'm talking about. That'll be real cool. But yeah, this is the clippers that came right here. Another clipper that I would recommend now that I know is your metals or your detachable. The clipper that came in my kit was the Classic 76, the Osters. Like I mentioned before, I got rid of this just because it's so bulky, and I didn't really like it. So this one's kind of brand new. I only used it 2 or 3 times. I did change this one. I did change it, and I don't use this one. I actually use it's the same thing, the Osters, but it's just the octanes cordless. So you know, it's way more easier to remove, like move around and stuff. So either or, this does go up these are pretty pricey, especially because it's cordless. Now if you want to start, these are kind of pricey too. They're about $100 or so, but I would recommend this just for taking out bulk or simple cuts. Maybe it's just a 2 and a 3 and you want to get through it real quick, then this one will be very helpful. Either or, guys, doesn't really matter. So those are the only clippers that came in my kit. Another thing that came in my kit though was some shears. You know, it's not expensive shears or whatever, but they're pretty cool. I mean, gets the job done real quick. So nothing much I could enforce on that. I don't think I got this comb from there. Plus, it's all nasty. Look at it. This one I just use it because sometimes kids want the part line or whatever, and this helps me out real quick. Or you know, sometimes you get long hair and they want just a certain length off or whatever. So this is pretty cool to part. What else? Now, guys, these are not the actual combs that I got. Plus, I don't even use these combs no more. This is just for like house cards, some type of thing. So I did get a comb like this, which, you know, nothing to, man, much to wait. But anyways, nothing too major, you know, just some combs. This comb right here is called the Johnny B comb. I would recommend this one. This one didn't come in my barber kit. I bought this one, which was like $5 or so, but I really recommend this one, especially for a clip of a comb, like fading that long hair into the short hair. This is pretty cool. Yeah, this one really helped me out when I was first starting learning how to clip a comb. This one was pretty cool. So that one didn't come in my kit, like I said, but I think it would help you guys out a lot. Another tool that came in there was my straight razor. Now this straight razor obviously didn't come in my kit. I bought this one, which was like $10 at my school. It has a BBC right there, Bakersfield Barber College anyways. But yeah, this one really cool. So they do give you one, but it's just all metal. It's kind of heavy. I don't really like it. I think I got rid of it. I think I sold it for $5 or so to somebody that wanted it. So this was pretty cool though. I would recommend to get some comb like this. You know, I don't think this is a taper comb, but anyways, this comb is pretty cool because when you do shear work, I use this one when I use shear work or whatever. It's kind of easy to maneuver. Put it in your pinky, your thumb, whatever it is. Pretty cool. Get some combs, guys. Pretty helpful. I didn't get brushes in my kit, but I did went on and bought some Andis brushes. This is cool to remove the hair from your machines, and I would recommend have another one just to clean off the hair or brush the hair away from the scalp when you're cutting it. You could see the fade a little bit better. You can see where you could touch up dark spots or spots you don't need to touch up. But yeah, I would recommend one of these. What else came in my kit? Now guards. Guards did not come in my kit. Like the plastic guards, I had to go and buy some, which was kind of, it sucked, but they weren't too pricey. I think they were like $10-15, something like that. And those I bought for my Andis mask. So guys, another thing that came in my kit was my mirror. Now this is a very cheap mirror, but this one came in my kit. Now I did change my mirror. I'll show you guys my next mirror, which is the Suavecito, the long one. I'll show you guys. But with these mirrors, guys, look, things are very expensive. I wouldn't recommend for you guys to go ahead and go buy everything. Yes, things that you may want to try, whatever. If you have the money, then go ahead. But like I said, that mirror, I barely changed it like a couple of weeks ago, and it wasn't even necessary. I just wanted to do it, you know. But I do have a Suavecito. Now it doesn't come with stickers like these. Obviously, I just put them there for custom. But yeah, this is a pretty big mirror. Now you can show them whatever angle you want. But yeah, man. So I really like this one. It's pretty cool. you guys could go with the very minimal tools and complete school. You know, you don't have to waste money the way I did. You know. Now, like I said, these are pretty expensive. These cost me like $275 or something like that. So these are pretty expensive, man. Don't go out there and buy some stuff. You already paid $1,000 or whatever the fee may be to get your kit. So just use it for the meantime, you know. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. That's all that came in my kit. Now I will be recommending two clippers. Remember, like I told you guys, do not use your endless master for the whole haircut. You'll feel very uncomfortable to your client and to your hand as well. So the two clippers that I recommend, and now you could do whatever you want. You can do whatever you want. Try whatever clipper you want. But the clipper that I use, this one I bought about a week ago. So it's pretty cool. I like the blend. It's a senior, the Wall Senior, the 5-star. And now I also have the 5-star Wall Legend. This one I managed to, you could say, master. I feel very comfortable with this clipper. But for the fact that I bought this one a week ago, I put this one away just so I could get used to this and learn the fading techniques on this one. Sorry guys, I got distracted. I gotta clean my clipper from the back. It's a metal plate. But anyways, yeah guys, so I would recommend for you guys to get another separate clipper other than your masters. Or if you starting like, how can I say, if you're starting like at your garage, at your house, wherever it may be, you know, I wouldn't recommend to get the masters. I'll just go ahead and buy seniors. Things are pretty expensive, so might as well just get this one and I'll buy 2 clippers, you know. But it's all up to you. Like I said before, if you have money, if you feel like wasting like that, then go ahead. 2 other things that I don't have right here in my kit was the duster, the neck duster, a water bottle, and a drape, just to drape your client. You know, that's all that came in my kit. But yeah guys, this is it for this video. After this video, I will be showing you guys haircuts, like I said, challenges, whatever you guys want to see, let me know. Whatever you guys want to know about, let me know as well down in the comments down below. So yeah guys, it's your boy King J the Barber. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. I appreciate those people that watch this. Like I said, if you feel like somebody will benefit from these videos, make sure to tag them or tell them about this video, these channels, or this channel, whatever it may be, you know. I'm pretty sure they're already watching them if they want to know everything, you know. But yeah guys, it's your boy King Jake the Barber. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.